Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm telling you what, we are super stoked for about going on this ride today. Fixing to get ready and run up and grab my shirt and take off so we can head over there. Hope you enjoy this channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you love the video. That was that other car. That was that gray one. Here comes the purple one. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. What kind of what did you get? What made you get the brace on your leg? How'd you get that?
I had a stroke. I don't really know.
You don't know? It's okay. Holy moly, that car's fast. I'm proud you come, Jessica. I'm proud you went on a ride so you get to do it. Oh, Claire. Your name's Claire, not Jessica. I called you your mama's name. You want us to get the go here in a second? You want to go fast? We'll go fast after this one. What? Yeah. Bobby said hi. She acts like she's on the roller coaster of death and scared. Did you like it, babe?
Yeah.
Woo, that one's all purple. It's on my tail. I'm too slow. I'm too slow. You so fast. Ooh, I'm taking my toys and going home. Did you like it when we took off?
Yeah.
You did? Good. I'm glad you did. That thing's so fast. Good Lord, honey. I don't know how to control it.
Lowering down.
We're here with Claire, and she just went on her ride in a Lamborghini. Did you say, what did you say it was when you went on your ride?
Fun.
You said it was fun. I thought you said it was the best thing you ever done.
Yeah.
It was? Excellent. Could you tell us what is Claire's
So Claire was born with a diaphragmatic hernia, and she had about a 30% chance at life. We relocated our entire family to Gainesville, Florida when I was about 24 weeks pregnant. She was delivered in front of a huge team of folks, went on ECMO, that's heart-lung bypass, for 7 days, and somehow survived that despite having a stroke on ECMO. And she has cerebral palsy, right-sided hemiplegic, a bunch of other fun things that go along with that. But she makes every day count, and this has been awesome. Really great experience.
Well, thank you. And I'm telling you what, Claire, has been a pleasure having the car with us. She chit-chatted with me, and she did. I got her to talk to me, and I'm so happy she got to come out.